Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about Earth, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. Earth is a spherical ball revolving around the sun, and it has planet Moon which is revolving around the sun. But do you know? Earth is in third position from the sun, and it is the largest fifth planet. The Earth is an oblate spheroid ball flattened at the poles. It's not a oval or sphere. It has spheroid shape, and it has axis of rotation, and it is rotated and circulation motion around the sun. It has 21 of June longest and 22 of December shortest day, and it is a more than 4.5 billion years ago old.